After 12 days of competition, the 2025 Asian Winter Games concluded on Friday. As the largest edition in terms of participation, the Harbin Asian Winter Games has fostered unity and deepened friendships across Asia and beyond.
ハルピンすごく良いとして初めて来たんですけれど、すごく景色も綺麗で街もすごいきらびやかに飾られていて、でハルピンの人たちすごい選手に優しくしてくださる方がすごく多くて、今回ハルピンに来てすごくこの街が好きだなと思いました。
I had an amazing time. The volunteers were outstanding, the organisers were great, and the sports were fabulous. So too were the athletes. So it's been great. But I've been really impressed with this place as a city. I had an opportunity to walk around with my colleague this morning, and it's a really organised city. It's ran really well, not much traffic, very, very clean, and really good attitude from the locals as well. So I really like Harbin.
Wow, everything is good. I like the food. Of course, the weather is completely different, but I like it. This is the first experience for me to have snow in this city. So I think this city is amazing.